Yeah, my name is Atul Nagpal. I am responsible for Comet India. Comet India is based in Bangalore, but we are a German origin company. In Germany, we are based in south of Germany, near Stuttgart. The place is called Bietigheim. So I guess before I answer this question, you need to know about the little bit history of Comet. Comet is almost a 100-year-old company. We started in 1917. So I guess next Timtex will be 100-year-old company. So right from the day one, we have been focusing on the hole making technologies. So we develop and sell all the cutting tool solutions which are involved in hole making, be it drilling, be it rub boring, finish boring, reaming, threading, thread milling. So we are concentrating on this, and that is what we do worldwide. Well, what I have told you so far is only about our core business. We have offshoot branches which are into mechatronics. For example, we make additional axis which is called U-axis. We have a lot of mechatronics tools. We are taking only the mechanical tool technology to mechatronics. In boring, we have now mechatronics tools, yeah, and also in the additional axis which is called U-axis. So this is absolutely new in the market. You will not find it, I think, in most of our competitors. What we have done now is, in round tools, hole making is considered one of the toughest operations. So after having experience of about 97 years, we are now step by step moving towards milling. That is, we consider the next step. So in this Timtex, we have showcased our German technology milling cutters for the first time in India, and that is absolutely new from us. Well, we have not just now, we believed in Make in India right from the beginning. We started our manufacturing in India in 2003. 2009, we put up a new plant, brand new plant in Bangalore, in Attibale industrial area. And this year, we have very positive vibrations, and we really want to support Make in India project, let's say, and we are investing a lot in our company. We will improve our capacities for PCD tools. We make a lot of diamond tools, special diamond tools. By the way, we work very close with customers and we develop special tools with them. We work with their designers, we develop tools with them. So we are not a very rigid company. We are a very flexible company which develop solutions sitting with the customers. Yeah. And this year we are investing to improve our PCD tools, which means diamond tools. We are also investing to improve our carbide tools. We have a very good plan for Make in India. We are preparing ourselves when the Make in India is fully launched and accepted by everyone. Well, I guess this is a very important exhibition from cutting tools or manufacturing point of view. It's very important for us because this is one of the national or international level exhibitions where we can showcase our technology to the customers, because we are not in the run-of-the-mill machining solutions. We give only high technology solutions on the top end of the market, and this is a place where we can showcase our technology to the customer. So we are very happy with this. We don't just provide tools. Our logo is Tools Plus Ideas, which means we are a very flexible company. We work with the customers and develop machining ideas. We develop machining solutions along with the customers. The plant, a manufacturing plant, what we have in Bangalore is only making special solutions, which means solutions, machining solutions which are developed along with the customers. We are very flexible and we are proud to develop solutions along with the customers. 2014 has been an excellent year for us, not only in terms of business. I think the appreciation which we got from our customers for the development of ideas was really good, and I think the credit goes to full Comet team. Comet team has worked fantastically with all our customers, and customers are appreciating this, and that is why we are full of orders. I hope it will continue in 2000. All the best. IMTMA is doing a very good job. Same for Make in India, because our future also will depend on Make in India. You see, when manufacturing increases here, it's our business. Yeah, and we work very close with IMTMA, and we will continue doing that.